Hi guys, today we will speak about the depreciation calculator. In this file, you can use this file as a calculator to calculate the depreciation for any asset you have with any method you know about the depreciation. I will put the link for this file to download it in the first comment. So let's start to explain to you how this file, how we can deal with this file. First of all, let's choose and select the depreciation method. Let's say we'll start with straight line. Start year of operation. Let's say I bought a machine on 2022. So let's say 2022 here. The cost for this machine is $100,000 and I will use it and invest it for 6 years. And the salvage amount, I will sell this machine after 6 years with $5,000. Let's say here that I run this machine on January 2022 for 6 years. So how much the calculation for the depreciation? You can see from the straight line method, we know that the depreciation expenses will be fixed, as you can see here, over the 5 year or the 6 years, and we will start with $100,000 as the book value year start, and we end with salvage as a book value year end. So all this information is clear for you. We will start with 1 million. We will deduct from this 1 million the depreciation expenses. Then we will accumulate this amount year by year. Because this is the first year, it will be the same of the depreciation expenses. So the book value year end, it will be $100,000 minus 50,833.3. The result is, the answer is 84,166.7. Second year, this end value will be book value year start. We will deduct from it the depreciation amount. Then we will accumulate this amount, 15,833.3, to the same value for the first year. This is the accumulated depreciation. Then we will deduct book value year start from the depreciation expenses. We will get the book value, and so on. Let's say that I bought this machine and operated and invested on March 2022. So the number of months in operation in the first year, it will not be 12 months, it will be only 10, from March to December. So 10 months. You can see here now we have different depreciation expenses because it's not a whole year, not 12 months. And you can see here we have the depreciation expenses for 2 months of 2028. This is the first method of depreciation calculation, is straight line. We have fixed declining balance. We have sum of year, and we have double declining balance. Usually we use here the factor is 2. Sometimes we choose, usually we use 2, but sometimes they use amount from 1.5 to 2. Only this entry you can get your depreciation calculation very easy, quick, accurate, and friendly. No need for complication, no need for to worry about the numbers, or you have headache from depreciation calculation. I hope you enjoy it. You find the link to download this file in the first comment. Thank you a lot for watching. Please subscribe in my channel and put like. Thank you.